Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm an art teacher and I've just created a new drawing video to show you how to draw Frankenstein. The tutorial comes from my website, Art Projects for Kids, which I hope becomes your favorite place for finding easy step-by-step drawing lessons. Please check out my videos, and if you like them, hit that like and subscribe button that's up in the corner. It does help me make more of these. Now here's a way to draw a close-up of Frankenstein that lets you add all kinds of fun details. This Frankenstein tutorial will show you how to draw his face and hunched up shoulders in a really simple way. That bent over shape is just part of what makes him so recognizable and so different from all the other monsters. Let's get started so you can draw him yourself. First, the materials you need for this project are drawing paper, pencil, black marker, and crayons. You can also download this free PDF tutorial from my website. Look in the description for a link. Now before you begin your drawing though, it really helps to first make guides on your paper. Just fold and crease the paper in half in both directions, like I'm doing here, and then open it back up. You'll have lines that match my directions, which really help. Plus, they completely disappear by the time you're done coloring. Step number 1. To start the large U shape of the head, draw half of the U on the right side. And then draw a matching shape on the left side. Complete the head with a rounded, flat top. Step number 2. Add Frankenstein's hair, which is a large zigzag that goes across his forehead. Then start the eyes with a long brow line that has a slight curve to it. Step number 3. Draw the round eye shapes that are tucked under the brow and try to make them match. Step number 4. Next, draw the iris, the pupil, and that little small shiny circle inside. I like to erase that little extra line right away so I don't forget. Now, do the same to finish that left eye. And a little wrinkle line under each eye will add some age to this guy. He needs to look old. The nose is very simple, just a small curve. Now draw a mouth with a slight smile, or not, and add a lip line below. Step number 5. Add a simple bolt shape on the right and then on the left side of the head. Step number 6. Frankenstein is kind of famous for his hunched back, so add shoulder lines that look like they're coming out of his cheeks. Now draw 2 matching lines for the inside edge of his jacket. Then add a lapel shape on the right and a matching one on the left. Step number 7. To finish the jacket, add the lines to indicate the sleeves and a patch or two to make it look really old. Step number 8. One of the last details are to add the ears above those bolts, and then add a stitch line or two on Frankenstein's forehead. My preference is to just have one, but please draw yours where and how you'd like. Step number 9. Okay, it's time to trace all those pencil lines with a good black marker. It will really help show off all the fun details you've added to your drawing. And while I have that black marker out, I'm going to fill in those pupils so they're really dark. Now, no matter how carefully you've traced, there are bound to be at least a few pencil lines that still show, so take a minute to erase them. And finally, the fun part, coloring in your Frankenstein. I'm going to start with the black hair. I'd like it to be really black, so I'm going to press pretty hard as I color. Next, I'm going to start coloring that skin. I really like this yellowish green color that is light but not too light. His eyes could certainly be any color, but I'm going to color mine dark green. Now the jacket could be any color too. I really like this raspberry purple color. It's both colorful and a little bit dark at the same time. His shirt under his jacket needs some color too. I've chosen a dark orange to finish that off. And then a little bit of gold color for those patches. Now those bolts on his neck need to be a gray, of course. And then lastly, the background needs some color too. I'm using my favorite sky blue crayon, which always seems to brighten up any drawing. And there is my finished Frankenstein drawing. I love how these eyes add so much character to his face. He looks kind of like he's trying to be scary, but at the same time, maybe he's not. Who knows? I'll let you decide that. Thank you so much for following along with me, and I really hope you've enjoyed this drawing tutorial video. I do have even more tutorials like this one on my website, Art Projects for Kids, including how to draw a haunted house and how to draw a bunch of Halloween things. I'll see you next time, and I hope you keep on drawing.